I've been on top for a while. Now it's time to chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside the new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lemon, sliding in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then
Hey beauties, it's your favorite Caribbean cutie, and today we are back with another video. Today's video is a highly anticipated video, which is my bedroom transformation. As you could see in some of my previous videos or some of my previous vlogs, my bedroom just wasn't giving luxury, it wasn't giving grown, it wasn't giving sexy, it wasn't giving anything that it was supposed to give. Despite not humble beginnings, we are here today. I did not furnish this room like a short span of time, like probably over a 4-month period. So feel no pressure if you are in the process of refurnishing your room. Furnishing does take time and it does take money, but creating a space where you wake up and you feel motivated to create, or you feel motivated to just do anything, is very important. So that was my main reason for wanting to refurnish my room. I tried to refurnish it in the most affordable and frugal way possible. If you are gonna do the same, make sure that you try to get as many things as you can on sale, because it does help you stretch your money and help you get more for less. As you can see, like, I'm going through, I don't know if this is a phase or I'm gonna forever be like an all black girl, but I am a MAC makeup artist. As you guys know, MAC is black, so black has always been my color, but now I'm like black crazy. My bedroom colors are black and silver and white. I didn't want any golds or anything like that, so those are the colors that I wanted to stick within, and I absolutely love it. This room is my safe haven. This room is my peace. This room brings me joy. Every night before bed, I thank the Lord literally for allowing me to refurnish my room and just have a space where I literally feel comfortable. I can't wait to show you guys this. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, you will not regret subscribing to the channel. So stop what you're doing right now and click that subscribe button. You need to join the beauty family. If you don't, then what are you doing, sis? Like, I'ma wait on you. I'ma wait. Thank you. Much appreciated. All right, so let's get into this video. Okay, so I'm just going to start with my bedding since I'm already standing here. First of all, the LED lights was gifted to me by my best friend, and she also helped me install it along with this beautiful wall. Both are from Amazon. I do have a little trip right there in the corner. Those are the only 3 that doesn't cooperate, but it's okay. It doesn't really bother me much. So the lights are such a vibe, and I purposely wanted to do this bedroom transformation video at night because my bedroom is such a vibe in the nighttime with the LED lights. I put on my LED lights every single day. So it comes with this remote right here. Usually I only stick within this group right here. Green, orange. You could change the settings to do stuff like that. I don't ever use that, but yeah, y'all get the gist. Pretty cool. So since we're already on the wall, sorry if I'm all over the place. This video is actually a lot harder than I thought, so bear with me. So this wall is such a vibe. Oh my gosh. When I decided to redecorate my room, I always knew that I wanted black bricks. I wasn't even sure where I was gonna get it from, but I just knew that I had to have a black brick wall. This wall is from Amazon and it's 3D, so you can literally feel the texture of it, and it comes like a large square, and it comes with adhesive on the back, so you just peel it off and you stick it. It was a pretty tedious job getting it up. It's a 2-man job, so try to get some help on that. Luckily I had my best friend to help me with this. It took us a few hours, but the ending is obviously rewarding because this is one of my favorite features of this bedroom. I take pictures here, like it definitely serves as props. Like, I love this wall. It's such a vibe. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I got a pack of 10, but I ended up having to get another pack because I didn't have quite enough. So I would recommend you measure your wall properly. Get a pack of 2. That way you save some money, because purchasing 2 packs of 10, I ended up spending more. Moving on to the next thing. So as you can see, I first started off with downsizing with the bed. I no longer had a need for a king size. So this is a full size bed. When I started decorating this room, the bedding was the first thing that I started out with. I got the headboard from Target. It's just a diamond tufted headboard, and I got it on sale for about 90 something dollars at the time. It's very sturdy, very nice. I absolutely love it. It wasn't hard to set up or screw into the bed or anything like that. The pillows, I kind of got them like in pairs, but not all at once. The accent pillows I got from Amazon. I had to purchase the insert and the cover separately, but I absolutely love this. I don't know what this is, like abstract or whatever. I don't know. When I saw it, fell in love with it immediately. Just love it. The pillows, at the time I got them from Walmart for $2 something. I think right now they're $3 and something cents. I don't mind purchasing cheap pillows, mainly because I don't even sleep on pillows. I sleep on my arm. The pillows are literally just for decoration. These pillows I got from Target for $4. If you want like maybe better quality, you can go to Target, but honestly I don't see the difference between this pillow and the ones I got for cheap from Walmart, because these are from Walmart and they're way fluffier than the ones from Target. My curtains are from Walmart, as well as the rod, and those are command hooks. I didn't want to put one in the center, however it was bending and it looked like it was eventually going to fall, so I went ahead and just put one there to make it just a little bit more sturdy. These curtains are 86 inch. So if you want your curtains to run all the way to the floorboard, you are going to need 90 something inches. But this doesn't bother me. It's totally fine. I really tried not to be picky with certain things. Furnishing this room was already kind of a headache. So moving on to my plant. This is a bird of paradise. I already lost a leaf or a stem, unfortunately, and this one looks like she might be on her way out. It makes me kind of sad, honestly, because I do want my plant to flourish beautifully. Based on my research, it's curling up like this because the air is dry, so it lacks humidity. At this point, like, I'm just kind of over it. If she dies, I am going to purchase a artificial plant, because taking care of a plant is a lot. It's like a pet. I do love her. I'm gonna try and figure it out, maybe take it back to the nursery. I got it from a local nursery and it only cost $35, and the pot I got from Marshall's, and that was $30 or $35 as well. The legs were gold and I spray painted them silver to match with the rest of the bedroom. This is the exact plant stand that I wanted, so I was extremely happy when I discovered this in Marshall's. There's a bit of texture to it and it's like a tin material. I love it so much. It's everything. I got the bird of paradise because I am Caribbean, so it reminds me of a banana tree, and it just reminds me, even the name, the bird of paradise, like it definitely takes me back to the Virgin Islands. So there is some significance in having this particular plant. This plug-in right here I got from Bath and Body Works. Absolutely love this. This is in the scent Gingham, I think. I wanted something to smell very pretty, so when I come in my room it just smells like fruity and cute and just pretty, and this definitely gives that, and it is very strong. Like, my first time plugging this in, I had to plug it out because it was giving me a headache, but I'm used to it now. Bath and Body Works wallflowers are definitely a vibe. Like, you will never go back to Glade. Like, Glade who? this vase is also one of my favorite items in this room. So this came as a ordinary purple glass type of material. It was the perfect length and size, so I knew that I had to get it. I always knew that I was gonna spray paint it black. Finding a vase was one of the hardest things to find. I got this one from Home Goods, and it wasn't even with the rest of the vases. This was like with computer chairs or something weird. It was such a good buy. The pampas grass is also very difficult to find. The only place you'll probably find them is online, but if you go into stores, it's just a hot mess trying to find these. These were gifted to me by my good sis, so a shout out to her for gifting me with that. Honestly, I wanted something bigger, but I personally don't mind the way it looks. It's fine to me, honestly, the more I look at it, so I'm just gonna leave that be. All I did was stuff the vase with paper, and then I put the stems in there so it could appear a little bit taller. All right, so my favorite in this room is this large mirror. When I knew that I was going to redecorate my bedroom, this was also one of the things that I was very particular about. I wanted a huge mirror. As you can see, that is my ceiling right there, and that's where the mirror is. So it is closer to the ceiling than it is to the ground. I wanted a mirror that was all mirror, like very little to no frame, meaning this, I wanted that to be thin. I didn't want a mirror where the frame comes out like this wide. Like, no, I wanted all mirror. Like, y'all know, like, I be doing my little fashion thing, and I want to see like my entire body, like from head to toe. Every female needs this mirror. Like, if you don't have this kind of mirror in your house, go to IKEA and go purchase one today. I did get this one from IKEA, and I got it on sale at the time. It was $135 or so after tax, but it was such a great buy because finding a large mirror for that cheap was not easy, but it was perfect. When I tell you perfect, like, this is exactly what I needed, and I knew that I was gonna put it in this corner and angle it just like this. Like, this just came out exactly how I pictured it. Moving on to the vanity area. This area I wanted to keep white. When it comes to makeup and beauty, I think keeping it like white and soft and clean is a must. So that's why I particularly wanted this area white. This is actually from Impressions Vanity. This was gifted to me for like my 21st or 2nd birthday. So I've always had this. I don't really have plans to get rid of this because this is very expensive, and this was a very good gift from my oldest sister. So yeah, we're gonna hold on to her until the very end. This clock right here, and that time is actually accurate. It is 2:40 in the morning. Baby, for the life of content creating, oh my gosh, I had to get this video out for you guys. Anyway, this clock is from Amazon. I've had that in my Amazon cart for years. Like, I always had my eye on it because it is just so sleek and pretty and classy and chic and everything, clean, classy, everything you could think of with a C. I just love the way it looks. It's just amazing. Like, looks like a little iPhone. Excuse the little handprint. I'm sorry, I'm not about to clean it though. So pretty. Like, I just love it. This little bouquet I also got from Amazon. It was just so cute. Roses are my favorite flowers, so for this area I just wanted something with white roses. This candle I don't light. This is literally just for the aesthetic. This is from Walmart, and I had my eyes on that for a long time as well. They only cost $9, and I just like the bottle. Like, it's a frosted bottle and it's so heavy, but it is everything. When I tell you everything, baby, it is so pretty. I just love it. And it smells good. This one is coconut, citrus, and amber. It smells amazing. It's like a clean scent. I have not light this candle, so I can't tell you the performance of it, but if I'm passing by, I literally could smell it. So I think that it will perform very well. This vanity table is from Walmart. It is not my favorite because it is very small opposed to my previous vanity table. I didn't realize how small it was, so it kind of gives claustrophobic, but I'll probably eventually replace it. But as of right now, it's getting the job done. I particularly wanted multiple drawers to separate eyes, lips, and face. I went ahead and replaced that ugly green office chair with this really cute, sleek, tufted type of black and silver chair, and I got this from Marshall's and it was on sale at the time for $56. So I think it was a pretty good deal. Gets the job done and it's very comfy to sit in. Love that, and it just goes with everything else in my room, so that's a plus. This rug I got from Amazon as well. Specifically wanted a black and white stripe rug, and this is the 6x9, and as you can see, it covers a large space. Like, this is a very large rug, and that's exactly what I wanted. Honestly, this rug transformed this entire room and I love it. It's very soft to the touch and it just gives everything it needs to give. And like I said, without this rug, the room was giving, but this definitely brought it all together. So this area is where my TV is at, and then I just wanted like a cute little area, some type of like motivation or something girly and cutesy, nothing really in particular. I knew that I wanted my favorite picture at the moment there. All I did was purchase these frames from Walmart, and then I went to Staples and had them print out these pictures. It didn't cost a lot. It was probably like $2 for the largest one, and then maybe a few cents for this one. This is just a picture I got off of Pinterest. It just acts as a vision board in the meantime because I haven't made one yet. This Z was gold. All I did was spray paint it silver. This one is just like the other one on the vanity table. This is just the black one, and this one is in serene. The other one was calm. This one has Palo Santo plus sage and incense. This smells like men cologne, a good man cologne, maybe like Sauvage. It's not a bad scent. Again, I don't have any intentions of lighting these. It's just for the aesthetic. The flowers, they were pink. I went ahead and just spray painted them black. It was kind of hard getting into the crevices, but it doesn't bother me because this has pink in it. This picture has pink in it, so still kind of balance out somehow. These were gold. All I did was spray paint them silver. These were green, spray painted them silver. You could still kind of see the gold, but like I said, I'm really trying not to be picky. It still is a vibe in my opinion. This is where I keep my perfumes. Nothing really spectacular, honestly. I got this frame from Walmart and had Staples print out the YSL logo. I just wanted a luxury logo to just give me that luxury feel for my fragrances, and that's it for that area. I really think it's cute. For these pictures on the wall, same thing. So I got these frames from the dollar store. I don't recommend. Just go to Walmart, get a better quality frame, but it's still affordable. The dollar store frames are very like flimsy, obviously, but it got the job done. I went to Staples and had those pictures printed out. That picture was taken by the best photographer in the Virgin Islands. His name is Anthony Nibs. That is still to this day one of my favorite pictures. I particularly wanted that one because it gives kind of sensual, and I'm trying to tap into that, especially because, you know, I still want to feel like a little sexy in my bedroom. So that's the look I was going for when I had that printing. And then I wanted the palm leaves printed as well. I like anything to remind me of the Virgin Islands where I'm from, so I wanted like something tropical, and I just love the way palm leaves look, so just went ahead and did that. And it is such a cute little definition to this little area. This wall looked so empty prior to me putting these up there, and it just brought everything together in this area. So love that. Okay, beauties, so that brings us to the ending of this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you really liked it, and just know that everything is possible. Anything is figure outable. You can do it. Don't get overwhelmed. I will tell you this: investing in your space is a must. Investing in your space is self-love. So if it was on your heart to do that for yourself, go ahead and do it. Highly recommend. Anyways, enough chattering. Thank you guys so much for clicking this video and watching it. Feel free to subscribe and share it to the girls. Love you guys. Bye.